Do you want to add a custom security message to your Windows login screen? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Windows login banner with your own security warning without using local group policy, whether you want to display professional notice or a legal warning. I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. If you are new, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create custom Windows login banner with security message, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration. So please make sure you watch to the end so that I don't miss any important steps, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine which I've launched already. Okay, and we are going to use the registry for the configuration. So I'm going to click on the search, then I'll type regedit. Okay, so now we are going to run the registry with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. So I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. Okay, so at the registry, we are going to expand 8-key local machine, and then we expand software, and then we expand Microsoft, and then we scroll down to Windows. So we expand Windows, and then we expand current version, okay? So at the current version, we are going to scroll down to policies. So we scroll down to policies, and then we expand policies, okay? So at the policies, we are going to click on the system, okay? So at the system, let me expand the registry. So at the system, we are going to edit LegalNoticeCaption, LegalNoticeText, okay? So to edit the local notice caption, we are going to double click on that. So this is where we are going to type our caption, okay? So we are going to type the caption, authorized, use access only, okay? And then we click on OK. So now we are going to edit the local notice, okay, the notice text. So I'm going to double click on that one as well. And then we are going to type this system is for authorized users only. Unauthorized access is prohibited, okay? So I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so this is the banner we've created for our Windows, okay? So let me close the registry. Then I'm going to restart my virtual machine, okay? So after the restart, you see the login banner, the custom login banner we just created. So please stick and stay whilst I do the restart of the virtual machine. So I'm going to click on the start, and then I'll click on the power and restart. So whilst it's restarting, I'll meet you at the other side. Okay, so you see after the restart, you see the banner we just created, authorized access only. This system is for authorized users only. Unauthorized access is prohibited, okay? So this is how to create a custom login banner for Windows 10 or Windows 11, okay? So let me click on the OK. Then I'll log in quickly, okay? Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.